Welcome back. Rico Money Bags, the channel manifesting you guys some extra money to put in those money bags so we can acquire more BTC as this bull market takes off. We'll constantly be talking about that. But today we're going to be talking about PMPY, Prometheum Prodigy, listed on XT.com, and also talk about the Flip mobile app a little bit and some of the things that we were talking about in the TG earlier today. We heard a buzz, bets going down with Pablo Crow and Power as far as maybe a tier one. So we'll take a look at some of the tier ones and what could be something that we could expect when we do some price prediction and technical analysis at the end of the video. So make sure you guys stay tuned. You guys like this, subscribe, put on that bell notification. And without any further ado, let's make sure we like and retweet everything going on with Prometheum Prodigy. Big shout out to Adam Shelton. That's something that I want to say before I get started is earlier today was me, Pablo Crow, Adam Shelton, Power up in there. We got the likes of, Zach Humphreys, Austin Hilton. We got some big players right here. And I want you guys to read in between the lines and really see what's going on as far as cryptocurrency, as far as people paying attention to PMPY and the names that are inside there just at one time. Okay. So big shout out to this community that's pulled up to the channel, subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing everything that's going on. It was over 70 of us in that TG earlier today that was just live. I mean, all different likes, all different types of life, different backgrounds, different ethnicities, everything. It was just live and we all got along. We all talked about PMPY. We were all pumped up. And that's really what I love. The analytics on that side, as far as YouTube goes, also shows me that this community is very excited. I'm going to call on that same community to come over here and pull up on this tweet from XT.com. Or XT.com exchange and come over here just like Pablo. This is practice what you preach right here. Come over here, like and retweet everything going on. Come over here and hashtag PMPY. Come over here and leave your guys' mark on this, because this is going to be very important for us to continue to spread. Because something that Pablo said, and it's true, is not so much worried about the listing, and we'll talk about how that listing went. As far as sometimes when we see tokens be listed on an exchange, we see a pullback. Let's just be honest. It's something that happens, and I want to keep a close eye on it. When we get to the prices, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. But PMPY literally held and then continued to pump upwards. That chart is getting more and more vertical, definitely looking like a Pablo Crow chart when he drew on it, and it would just started to go straight up. But any of those that are OGs or veterans, we all remember the time where we'll be excited for something to get listed on an exchange. It got listed on the exchange and then we didn't get good results after that, right? That's something that we experienced. But something different happened with PMPY as far as bots were buying it up and holding. That's something that we've never seen before. And on top of that, it got listed on XT.com and no dumping, literally pumping, the exact opposite of dumping. And when we speculate on what's going on, of course, not financial advice, do your own research, but speculating on what's to come as far as tier one exchanges, we can get pretty pumped up about that. So just to give everybody a quick introduction on Prometheum Prodigy's paper, and then we're going to go straight to the mobile app part as promised. Those who voted, big shout out to you guys helping the votes come in, so like that we can talk about what we're excited about. But let's go ahead and do another introduction. Let's share this video as much as we can. If you're bullish, leave some comments down below. Prometheum Prodigy is an AI integrated layer 2 blockchain platform built on top of the Ethereum network, right? Layer 2. It aims to enhance the scalability, transaction speed, and security. That's something that we're talking about a lot today. Security on top of layer and layer of security. And we'll get more into that as more developments start to come out. And security within the Ethereum ecosystem, while leveraging the cybersecurity and artificial intelligence AI technologies to ensure network safety and improve performance. That is safety, security, cybersecurity. These are all things that make you feel safe in the space. And considering that we're going to have a lot of new investors coming in, that's something that you're going to want, right? Some place for them to call home, a home base. So PMPY, aka Prometheum Prodigy, is designed to address the limitations of the Ethereum network by providing a scalable, secure, once again, secure and efficient layer 2 solution. By utilizing layer 2 scaling techniques, PMPY aims to reduce transaction costs and increase the input of the Ethereum network. So keep that in mind. How secure this team really wants to make this project, and making sure that we're poised for this bull market that we're already in, and then next, that bull run that we're going to be in, that euphoric feeling when it's pumping. So Prometheum Prodigy has been built with a modular architecture that combines an optimistic roll-up protocol with the cybersecurity and artificial intelligence AI technologies. This allows PMPY to inherit security from Ethereum and offers cheaper and more accessible data availability. Again, security. secure. This is something that we're going to keep hearing coming from this team and from this project right here. So this is very bullish if you ask me. Okay, this feature also includes the Prometheum Prodigy bot, which is an autonomous sniper that scans the blockchain in real time and selects pre-minted crypto launches to invest in. Of course, you're still going to have to do your own due diligence. You're going to have to make sure that you're doing your own research, because none of this is financial advice. But this level of security, making people feel safe, can let you know, hey, before they get minted, you already know what's coming onto this blockchain. This is very, very bullish. This is going to print a lot new, thousandaires and millionaires and whatnot. So Prometheum Prodigy strives in the innovative, secure, and reliable, which is security again, layer 2 Ethereum solution. By combining the layer 2 scalability, cybersecurity, and AI technologies, PMPY aims to support various applications and use cases in the blockchain and fintech ecosystem. So this is just all bullish, especially with BTC, going towards that 45K. We're right there. I almost want to pull up the screen, but today's going to be about PMPY in this community that's very bullish. Okay, so these are the PMPY tools, and today we'll talk about, I did an overview on everything, but today we're talking about the app, the Flip mobile app, and this is what we got for the Flip mobile app. So for those who missed it, and then we're going to carry on, but we got the Prodigy Flip. Okay, so that's something that I heard a lot, the Prodigy Flip. I've been hearing that a lot. I want you guys to read in between the lines and kind of listen to the things that are being said. So Prodigy Flip crypto trading mobile app. That's why it's important that you guys, like, subscribe, pay attention in these videos, learn what's going on, because we're going to use some of these tools on this channel, and I'm going to do tutorials and show you guys exactly how to use these. So mobile app is set to revolutionize the cryptocurrency trader invest. Hold on, let's go over that. Flip crypto trading mobile app is set to revolutionize the way cryptocurrency traders invest in crypto with its decentralized multi-chain exchange. So multi-chain, that's interoperability, that's very good. Traders will have access to a secure platform where their assets are fully protected, again, security, within the Prodigy Flip DeFi wallet. Okay, so that's that wallet within this Flip mobile app right here. Additionally, the app offers state-of-the-art AI analytic tools, enabling traders to make informed decisions. The inclusion of the Prodigy AI robotic algorithmic trading assistant bot further enhances the trading experience, providing users with the valuable assistance and support. And support, that's another form of security, making people feel more secure, right? Because if you don't have that support, you start to feel a little bit uncertainty. Okay, so these are some of the things. Let me know down in the comments. Are we going to talk about the Prodigy chain next? Are we talking about just pure the AI aspect of it? But that's what we're going to do. We're going to break this down. This is something I'm super bullish on right here. The Prodigy AI robotic sniper. Prometheum Prodigy, aka PMPY bot, is an autonomous sniper that scans the blockchain in real time and selects. So it's doing this for you. Pre-minted crypto launches to invest in. This is going to be very bullish. This is going to be very lucrative. And I believe that if PMPY continues to build this community the way that it does, the money that a lot of people will make off of these projects will go ahead and go right back into PMPY. And we'll look at this chart in just a second. Of course, I'll have this contract address down below and all their official links for you guys to stay tapped in. But this is that chart, and Dexo likes to keep resetting it. Maybe it's because PMPY keeps going vertical, but we broke all-time high. We were just talking about all-time high the other day right here, that prior resistance, future support. And I know how the boys feel about technical analysis, but we're going to break it down anyways, right? That's what we're going to do. We got to have a little bit of something for everybody, and that's where I come in. That's my area right there. So we got this right here. Of course, as I said in that TG earlier today, I believe this is a $1 billion project. We'll be doing a live stream with Pablo Crow really soon, and hopefully Power as well. And I love his breakdown on the future as far as the revenue stream, that's the potential of PMPY, as far as it becoming a real business and having a real revenue stream to come in and knock this supply down. The supply is already at, right here, we got 735 million circulating supply. It's only going to continue to shrink. We're already going towards the 2 cents mark. If we get to $1, we only got to get to 735 million. So that's if we get to that dollar mark, that's going to be pretty crazy. Right now, let's go ahead and tackle that 2 cents mark, which is right around the corner. Let's go ahead and see what we got. But we did talk about these psychological barriers. We did talk about, that 1 cent mark, 1.5 cents mark, and we could see these things playing out wherever, it breaks above, comes right back down. jumps back up. And the more we spread these videos, the more we keep talking about this, the more people see the TGs and how live it is. I believe the more and more people are going to see what's going on with PMPY. Obviously, this is just for now. I love the way Pablo draws his chart because we got this thing going vertical, but essentially it is going vertical. Right now, we do have some serious pumping on. These are just zones that, you know, later on, we're going to look back in the future and say, hey, we broke past these things. These are things that we went through and we overcame them together as a community, with a great team behind everything. And we're going to continue to grow. That next area is that 2 cents mark. So I'm just going to mark that up. Nothing wrong with setting some goals so we know where to attack. So let's go ahead and zoom in, see what we got going on. Again, the same thing, some consolidation to the right, then breaking above a resistance, and the same thing happening, going above, coming back down, making a support, some consolidation, the word being spread, and going right back up to test the next area. So that's where we're at as far as this. We're looking to attack that 2 cents mark, some consolidation to the right. There's no big deal with that. This is constantly growing. We see $1,000 buys coming in. Numbers don't lie. We got $100,000 in buys today. $100,000 in buys and only 14,000 in sales. So we're seeing the holder count grow. We're seeing this accumulation happen. And later on, when the app comes out and people pay for that subscription and they're doing buybacks and burns, and this supply starts to shrink, we're going to see a price increase for sure. A price shock is what they call it. So right now, for the meantime, our price prediction is to get above this 1632, 1635, breaking above obviously that 1.8. We'll mark that up because usually people like to exit right before that psychological barrier 2 cents. But then we're at that 0.01999 going right to 2 cents. Next thing is 5 cents. Next thing you know, we're talking 10 cents. And next thing you know, we're talking $1. So that's pretty crazy right there if you ask me. And I'm really excited for that. That's the next thing that's going to be coming up with PMPY. Like I said, we'll be doing a live stream, have Pablo do that amazing breakdown. We'll try to stream it on both channels, get as much action on this as we can, and keep our eyes peeled. Now, last but not least, that tier 1 talk. That's what we were talking about, right? That tier 1. So if you guys made it to this part of the video, like and subscribe. Make sure you guys also use the link down below to the Telegram that I'm building up. It's going to be very, very puro, very pure for everybody. Some great content in there, and also a lot of PMPY talk in there as well. But there was some bets going down, some $1,000 bets, and some talks about tier 1 exchanges. Now, if we compare what happened with this xt.com, this was our old all-time high, and we broke right past it after the xt.com listing. You know, we can only speculate, not financial advice, that the next level can break even higher, considering that we're talking tier 1 exchanges. Tier 1 exchanges, we're talking about way more exposure. Like I said in the beginning of the video, sometimes we get listed on exchanges and we start to see this selling pressure happen back to back. But I think PMPY is an anomaly. It's a little bit different. It's special. And I think that a tier 1 exchange can really send us to that 5 cents mark, going to that 10 cents mark, all these psychological barriers being broken. Let me know down in the comments. Maybe I'll do a poll on what tier 1 exchange the community believes or would like to see us on. Any of these tier 1 exchanges up here would be substantial. You know, Gate.io, Bitfinex, Bitstamp, OKX, KuCoin, Bybit, Kraken, Coinbase, and of course, Binance, right? So let's see what we can do. Anything is possible with this type of community. If you build it, it will come. And you guys can go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe. I really appreciate it. If you guys can't do that, continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.